How to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu in Mobile Emulator Full Guide. Most people get this wrong by downloading random emulators or game files. The surprising truth is that running Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on mobile requires a proper emulator and legal game files. Start by installing a trusted Nintendo Switch emulator on your mobile device. Ensure your device has sufficient storage and processing power, at least OGG RAM and a modern processor. You won't believe how many crashes happen on low-end devices. Next, acquire a legal copy of Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu. Load the game into the emulator following the app's instructions. Configure controls for touch input or connect a Bluetooth controller for better accuracy. Optimize settings for performance. Lower resolution and frame rate caps can prevent lag, while enabling GPU acceleration improves graphics. Audio settings may need adjustment to avoid stuttering. Finally, save your progress frequently. Some emulators allow save states in addition to in-game saves, which can prevent loss of progress. In conclusion, playing Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on mobile is possible with the right emulator, legal game files and optimized settings. Follow these steps and you'll enjoy a smooth portable Pokémon adventure.